Today I'm going to debunk 5 dropshipping myths. Hi, my name is May. Hi guys, welcome back to Supermom TV, and today I'm gonna talk about the 5 common dropshipping myths. So on my channel, you will always hear the word dropshipping. So what is dropshipping? So dropshipping is an online business model that enables online sellers to sell the products without the need to buy the products in bulk. The supplier will handle the inventory and the order fulfillment, which includes the packing and the shipping. So there are a lot of dropshipping myths going around the internet recently. So today I'm going to discuss with you the top 5 myths about dropshipping. So the first myth is the only way to get traffic to your dropshipping store is through ads. If you have an e-commerce website, you will probably need to run some marketing campaign through ads like Google and Facebook ads. However, if you are using online marketplace like eBay or Amazon, you can tap on their ready active users. As of the second quarter of 2019, eBay is reported to have 182 million active buyers worldwide. The myth number 2, you'll get rich quick doing dropshipping. This is the most popular myth about dropshipping because there are tons of gurus on the internet making false promises about earning millions of dollars doing dropshipping. My fastest earning dropshipping store was making me $1,600 per month, and it took me almost 2 months to achieve this figure. Myth number 3, it takes months for customers to receive their dropship products. My very first store dropshipping locally in Singapore was having a shipping time between 3 to 5 business days. My second international e-commerce store was taking an average of 2 to 4 weeks depending on the location or depending on the country. And my current eBay dropshipping store only takes 2 days to ship to my buyers. So it is not true that it takes months for your customer to receive the product. So myth number 4, you can only dropship from the US or to the US only. I am right now staying in Singapore and I'm running my US eBay store selling only to US buyers. So basically for dropshipping, you can operate your store anywhere around the world. The 5th myth is dropshipping business needs a niche. For e-commerce site, it is good to have a niche so that it is easier for you to build a fan base on your social media. But there are a lot of general stores out there that are very successful and making a lot of money selling from any category. For example, my eBay dropshipping store do not need any niche. All I need to do is to find winning products of any category and I'm good to go. And the fact that my eBay store actually earn much more than my Shopify dropshipping store, which I have a unicorn niche. So in general, dropshipping is just a fulfillment model that gives online sellers another alternative solution to your online business. Whether or not you are going to make it big, it depends on how you structure your business and make the best out of it. I hope today's topic about 5 myths on dropshipping is helpful to you. If you have the thought of starting a dropshipping store, I would say go for it because this business model is so flexible and almost zero risk. I cannot emphasize enough on the good points about dropshipping. The best thing about dropshipping is you do not need to handle any inventory, you do not need to handle the packing and the shipping. So after I have debunked the myths, I hope that you have a clearer picture on dropshipping. If you would like to know the way I do my dropshipping business, there is a free cheat sheet for you to download. I will leave the link down in the description box below. It is a 10 pages downloadable blueprint and it explains my 5 steps on how I run my dropshipping business. So for those that are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!